Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be looking at how to test pregnancy at home, how you can carry out pregnancy test at home by yourself. So in this video I'll be showing you that, but before we proceed further with the methods or the procedures, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the post notifications such that you don't miss any videos from me. Okay, let's go straight to the video without wasting any other time. All you need is a clean container filled with urine of a pregnant person or a non-pregnant person. Get your salt and a spoon. What you're going to do, you're going to take 2 spoons of salt and fill it in each container with the urine, the one for a pregnant lady and the one for a non-pregnant lady, as you can see what I've been doing in the video. After getting that salt in the urine, you're going to take that mixture and you're going to mix it thoroughly until the salt dissolves in the urine, and you're going to do the same with the other. After mixing the mixture and the salt already dissolved, you are going to leave this mixture to settle for 3 to 4 minutes for visible results. As you can see, one of the containers is light and the other is dull, but that's not because of the color of the urine. Yeah, ignore the color of the urine and concentrate on what you're carrying out. So after our 3 minutes, we're coming back to check our mixtures. As you can see, the first container, this one, you can't see clearly through the bottom. Yes, as you can see, the mixture is dull, and this one, the other, is a bit light, meaning that the precipitate is for a non-pregnant person and the clear one is for a pregnant person.